In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate resource capacity in Smartsheet so you can balance workloads and make sure your team isn't over-allocated. First, open your Smartsheet project sheet or resource management template. Make sure you have columns for task name, assigned to, start date, end date, and allocation percentage. Next, enter your project tasks and assign each task to the appropriate team member. Be sure to include accurate start and end dates for every assignment. Once your tasks are assigned, enter the allocation percentage for each task. For example, if someone is spending half of their time on a task, enter 50%. As you add assignments, Smartsheet can help you track how much of each person's available capacity is being used across the project timeline. Review the allocation percentages and task durations to identify any team members who may be overbooked or underutilized. If needed, adjust assignments, dates, or allocation percentages to create a more balanced workload and ensure resources are used effectively. Continue updating task status and schedules as the project progresses so your capacity calculations remain accurate. That's it. You've successfully learned how to calculate resource capacity in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.